boosting immunity, the need of our to test and challenges. Now, the first question arises in our mind, what is immunity? Immunity is the capability of multicellular organisms to resist harmful organisms. Immunity is a complex biological system that can recognize and tolerate whatever belongs to the cell and to recognize and reject what is foreign. Immunity has a common word in the pandemic of COVID-19 because when we are supposed to protect ourselves from the virus from outside, we need to protect ourselves beginning right within our body by strengthening the immune system. There are many factors that affect the immune system. There are still plenty of questionable medicinal concoctions and folk remedies floating around with the theme boosting immunity. Unfortunately, the ideas that pills, trendy superfood and wellness habit can provide you a shortcut to a healthy immune system is just a myth. In my view, only healthy lifestyle involves eating nutritious food, practicing hygienic habits. Boosting immunity is one hypothetical term, not a medical term. These are promoted by the market-driven companies. It is not something which can be done by the calorie juice or vitamin supplements. So, I want to conclude here, and the best process that do affect our immune system is exercising and a healthy lifestyle. And the only scientifically proven way to boost one immunity is vaccination. So, it is right and your immune system is better. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good question. Question put up.
Fundamental science. Can you explain?
Yes, sir, to increase our immunity, there are as I mentioned in my presentation, there are three components which build our immunity. The first one is the physical barrier, which is present in our skin, or you can say mucous membrane. And the second one is the innate immune response, which is non-specific and it gets into work immediately or within few hours after the antigen enters our body. And then the third one is the adaptive immune system. It is specific and it takes few days to emerge, but this consists of the antibodies which can be injected by the vaccination. So these are the basic components which build our immunity.
You said that vaccination is the only way to increase our immunity. Is it true?
Yes, sir. It is the only.
If you get vaccinated, then it will fight to the old disease or only one or two disease.
No, sir. Vaccination is only for a particular disease. For a particular disease, vaccination is there. But to increase our immunity, we should adopt healthy strategies.
Vaccination is for a particular disease only.
Yes.
That is not the immunity booster. This is just the one antibody developed for the only single disease.
Yes.
Not the multiple diseases.
It is an immunity booster for a particular disease.
Not immunity booster.